Hello my friends, my name is Mia Charro and I'm here to introduce you my new fabric collection for FreeSpirit Fabrics. Its name is Bird Garden and it's inspired by these moments in nature when the sun goes down, the golden hour when you can hear the birds singing in the trees. That for me is a magical moment and that inspired me to create this fabric collection. And I'm going to show you its fabric so you can tell me what do you think about them, and I hope you like them. And meet lovely robins, the first of our bird garden designs. Cute robins, tiny red roses and green leaves on a pink backdrop. Fabric that is fun, fresh and nature inspired. And this one is beautiful birds. As you can see, it's a panel design, and its panel shows a cute bird, bluebirds, robins, hoopoo, cardinals, and with vibrant colors and flowers. And this design is one of my favorites. Its name is Bird Wreath, and as you can see, there's our little birds inside floral wreaths with a blue background. And this one is Monica, and I love the contrast of the golden touches with the magenta background and pink tones. And this is like that. I wanted to create a design with a soft vintage touch with more golden tones. And this is Marion. I wanted to create a very vibrant design with yellow background. I love mustard colors and the contrast with pink tones and blues from the bluebird. And this design is wreaths and blossoms, and this fabric is featuring a charming bird wreaths with a dark background that adds contrast to the design. And this one is Ophelia, and I love the cardinal birds. I don't have them in Spain, but their color is amazing, and I have had a blue background to add contrast. And this is Catherine Nest with peach background and little white branches and leaves. This one is Malena, and I love the ditzy flowers, the ditzy pattern with small flowers and soft colors and white background. And this is Straw, a simple design with yellow lines and white background. And the final one is Tiles. As you can see, it's a turquoise color, green color, soft green color, and making a geometric pattern. And I wanted to show you this design, this beautiful design, the Yuna quilt, and it's designed by kitchentablequilting.com by Erika Jackman, and as you can see, it's beautiful. And here is a table runner, and I love how they have used the panels, and is designed by Carrie Nichols. And this one is City Lights quilt. I love how they have used darker designs with lighter ones to make contrast, and it's made by Fabric Cafe. I hope you enjoyed my new collection, and now let your imagination fly.